What's up, YouTube? This is Genki Garage. Today we're going to install Tomei exhaust for the FD3S RX7. I just got the package just a while ago. Currently it has a racing beat exhaust. It's alright, you know, but I want to hear this thing breathe, so go ahead and unbox it and see what we got. Pretty good. That is a giant can. Jeez. It's just a cat back. I was gonna order the mid pipe with it, but it seems to be back ordered for about a couple months now. This is the only one I was able to find as far as the cat back. Got it from a shop on eBay. Pretty good feedback, so I mean everything's pretty legit. Go ahead and scratch it. Oh wow, this is nice. I mean, same exact one I got on my Mark IV Supra. Pretty sweet. Gotta love Tomei. Not to mention, super light. I'm gonna say this is 11 pounds. That thing weighs nothing. So there's that. On top of that, there should be the hanger. Yeah, there's some goodies in this box too. One hand. Yeah, got your silencer, clamps, gasket, the hanger. Oh sweet, get a license plate. Oh. Cool. Alright, I'll try to start the install here soon. like to do here on these Tomeis. So right here on the springs, I like to put a little heat shrink around it, and then go ahead and take the lighter and shrink it. That avoids any potential rattling that it can cause, you know, up against the exhaust. I did the same thing on my Mark IV. Got a Tomei on here as well. Love the exhaust, but I'll go ahead and get a sound clip once it's fully buttoned up, but it's almost done. Not bad, not bad. I currently have a SMB metallic catalyzer with a submuffler on it, so, and a aftermarket downpipe. Unsure of the brand, but sounds pretty good. It's not much stink to it, but I like it. I love the Tomeis. So that's about it. That took me about maybe an hour and 15 minutes. Pretty straightforward. Install is pretty easy. I highly recommend it. I'm looking forward to getting the mid pipe once it's in stock. So should be in October, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and check back again, you know, with the with Tomei and see. I guess lately it's been tough getting containers from overseas with COVID going on and everything. So, but I'll probably do another video with the mid pipe install and probably some more content with the RX7, because I just did the swap on it. It's a Pettit built 13B, just with some bolt-ons, intake, obviously exhaust, cooling mods, nothing crazy. But I like to have the best of both worlds with the with my cars. So I got the Mark IV. This is my crazy car. This will be my more tame. Want to keep this reliable as possible, which will be a task, but that's about it. Like, subscribe. I'll be making more content later on. Take it easy, YouTube. Bye.